Dear students, in the last class we know the meaning of arithmetic progression. Today, before starting the lesson, I want to say something. I already given the notes of arithmetic progression. It is uploaded in the group. Write down that notes. After that, in your textbook, exercise number 1.1 is there. In that, problems are there. Solve one by one. Please open your textbook and write the question number and question and write the answer. Now, arithmetic, you should write in 200 pages exercise, king size book only. I will see in the next class. We are calling you in the next week and I am asking the notes how we are writing that one. Now, I'll start the lesson. We know that in the last class, A1 is first term, A2 is second term and AN is last term. And D is common difference, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1. General form of AP is A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, etc. etc. Example I given in the last class, I taking only one example here. See the example for AP is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. If you know any one term of AP and the common difference, then we can find preceding term. Preceding term means previous of that term and succeeding term of known term. Succeeding means next term of the given term. In above AP, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 2. Now, from this example, I want to show how to find preceding term or previous term or before term as well as succeeding term as well as next term. For that, pattern is there. See in the example here. In an AP, one term is 5, for example, and common difference is 2. We don't know 5 is the first term or it's a one term of the AP and D is 2. Then we'll get preceding term. Preceding term means previous of that term. Here the term is 5. Preceding term of 5, that is preceding term of the 5, subtracting common difference from known term, that is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Are you getting idea? Preceding term of 5, from the 5 I am subtracting common difference. That common difference is here 2. Therefore, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the preceding term of the 5 in the AP. Here AP is there now. See 1, 3, 5, 7. Here 5 is the term. Preceding term of this one is 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. That is common difference. Similarly, succeeding term of 5. Succeeding means next term. We are getting next term by adding common difference to known term. That is known term is 5. That is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. See 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. See in the given example 7 is the next term. Therefore, if you know the term 5, common difference is here 2. Preceding term of 5 is 3. That is subtracting common difference from the 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 5, then succeeding term. Succeeding term means it's a next term of the given term. Here given term you are taking term, taken term is 5. Therefore, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Like this, to get preceding term of the any one term, we are subtracting common difference from the given term, and if you want succeeding term, that is next term, we are adding common difference to the given term. Did you get idea? That is, your formula is there how to find preceding term, previous term and succeeding term of that is next term. Your preceding term, that is previous term of the given term, that is equal to general formula, that is A n minus 1 is equal to A minus D. Similarly, next term, succeeding term of the given term is a n plus 1 is equal to a n plus d. Did you get idea? Okay. See, phi is the given term. Preceding term of the phi is 3 by subtracting common difference from the given term, and succeeding term of the phi is 7, adding common difference to the given term. By adding we will get it succeeding term, by subtracting we will get it previous term or preceding term. Preceding term, that is previous term, succeeding term, that is equal to next term. You get the idea? Okay. Now I am solving exercise number 1.1. In your textbook, page number is 7 and 8. This is second main problem. In that totally 5 questions are there. I am solving first one. The first, second main is write the first 4 terms of the AP. When the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First question is A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. A is first term, we know that. D is common difference, that is 10. See, we know that 4 terms A1, A2, A3, A4 are the first 4 terms. A1 is equal to A, that is equal to 10, is a first term. Then A2 is equal to A plus D, second term, that is, we know the general form, that is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Here A is 10, D is equal to 10, that is equal to 20. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, 10 plus 2 into 10, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. I substituted D value in this, that is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, 10 plus 3, D value is 10, 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. Therefore, first 4 terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. We know that already succeeding terms we are getting by adding common difference to the given term. Therefore, A is first term is 10. Therefore, second term is by adding common difference we will get it. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Then to add to this term, second term, we will get it third term, that is 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Similarly, next term 30 plus adding common difference 10, that is equal to 40. If they ask for 1 mark question, we can do it like this only. If they are asked for 2 marks or explanation if you need, then we have to do it like this. Remaining 4 problems, solve it. I already upload in the group. Now the third main is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. I am solving first problem in that. See, the problem is, first problem is 3, 1, -1, -3, etc. Here 3 is A1, 1 is A2, -1 is A3, -3 is A4. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. They ask first term. Therefore, first term, that is A is equal to A1, that is equal to 3. And we know how to find common difference, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1. We are subtracting A1 from A2. Therefore, now A1 is equal to -3, A2 is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 is equal to -2. I am showing next one, for that only D is equal to, see, D is equal to A3 minus A2. I am taking next consecutive term. Here A3 is equal to -1. I written here. Then minus as it is here. Minus A2 is equal to 1. Here in the problem itself A3 value is equal to -1. A2 is 1, but we are subtracting A2 from A3. Therefore, -1 minus 1 is equal to -2. Therefore, common difference, that is D is equal to -2. If we take A4 minus A3, we will get it -2 only. Remaining 3 problems, solve yourself. Then fourth main, do it in the exercise. This is exercise number first 1.1. I already uploaded solution of all the problems. Go through that. If you are not understand, ask me in the next class. Thank you. We know that general form of an AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. etc. The last term we are denoted by AN, that is AN. Now we will find the formula to find last term or to find nth term of an AP. Here nth term is last term of an AP. See here, we know that A is a first term, A plus 2D is a second term, A plus 2D is a third term, A plus 3D is a fourth term, and AN is the last term or nth term. Now look here, A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, A4 is equal to A plus 3D, similarly A5, A6, and the last term AN, that is will find. See, A1 is equal to A, I written this one, A plus 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 means 0, 0 into D is 0, then we will get it A. No change in that. A2 is equal to A plus D. I am writing in different form. A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore 1 into D, that is equal to A plus D. Similarly A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into D is equal to 2D. I written like this, same thing. See, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Continuation of this, the last term AN is equal to, see here A is common, same. For the first term, second term, third term, what I written. Therefore A, that is I written A. Next is plus, 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 plus. This is also common written. See here, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural numbers. Therefore, natural numbers denoted by n, I taken, that is equal to n. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc., n. Then minus, minus, minus is there. 1, 1, 1, 1, common thing I written. Then D, 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 D. Therefore, nth term of the AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. I written once again here, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, A is equal to first term, n is equal to number of terms of an AP. Number of terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, 7 terms. How many terms are there in that? That is number of terms of an AP. D is common difference and AN is last term of an AP, or it is nth term. This formula is very important to find last term or nth term of the AP, that is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Thank you.